And good morning, guys. So just gonna share with you guys quickly on things that I have done with my car after owning it for 3 days. So I have actually put back the trusted triple floor mat which I ordered even weeks before I got the car, when it was having a sales promotion at Shopee, and it fits nicely in the car. And yes, I think it's time for me to remove the Luma window tint warning, because this is already my third day. And I'm actually have some few things to handle after I got the car, which is, so yeah, just let me quickly show you this. So I have this vehicle key battery discharge warning, and I believe that it's time for me to change the key fob battery, and also this driver assistant restricted warning code, which is here: support from driver assistant restricted. And let's see what it is wrong with the car. So you may continue driving driver assistant permanently restricted. If problem occurs, have it checked with your service partners. Affected system: front end collision warning, pedestrian alert, lane departure warning, camera based assistance systems. Yeah, so I think I also have Google about this error, and apparently it's quite common. So I just have, perhaps it's time for me to return to the service center and get it sorted out. Probably it's just some sensor issue, and most likely it's sensor issue. So these are things that I have to get it sorted out. And yeah, small problem. The car drives like butter smooth, and I actually traveled to Telok Intan yesterday. The car was a very pleasant driving experience. And also I have got myself a second gen or next gen BMW car freshener, which looks like a blade. And okay, I'm actually going to do my headlamp PPF at Expel Malaysia, so I'm gonna show you the process later. So yep, I'll see you shortly. So I got this 2032 battery from Mr. DIY. I'm gonna quickly swap the battery for my key fob. I think for safety purpose, let me just switch off the car first. Battery. So this is the key fob. First, you just need to take out the valet key, or what they call that, valet key. Then you just pry this piece of plastic open. That's it. And you may need some little tool to take the battery out. So like that. And you put this new one inside here. Okay. Realign the hook. Yep. Snap it back. Alright. Put this back, it's all good. And let's start the car and see if it still has the, what do you call that? The battery discharge warning. Alright. No more. So problem solved. Key battery discharge issue settled. So this is the first car that I driving with a sunroof, and the best thing about the sunroof is it's not that you can see the sky, but you can easily mount your GoPro by attaching it on the sunroof. And now I don't need a headrest mount anymore, which sometimes can be an obstruction to your rear passengers. So now, yes, I'm still improving the viewing angle of this sunroof mount. Make a U-turn. I know the angle is a bit low, but I think I'm gonna extend it longer so that the suction cup mount can be prolonged, so that the viewing angle will be more or less at the driver's eyesight level. So bear with me. Okay, so here we are at the Expel Malaysia headquarters. So where should I park? Okay, probably here. Okay, so my friend got his new Civic and he wanted to do the headlamp PPF as well, and yes, we booked the same appointment and he's earlier than me.
A few moments later.
So my friend opted for a smoke PPF. Looking cool.
À 那个要给他时间晒，因为我们刚刚做好罢了。
所以还没有来得及粘就中了一粒了咯。
真的。
是咯。
哦，是。可以有机会的话，可以粘，就是来这个front foot这一边，因为你的纯深颜色。因
为我有做了 coating 了的，其实，所以我就不要粘先咯。
等1年后的半年后 coating 比较薄了才做呀。
好啊。Okay, done. Let's go home.